Positive tech reviews in the building. Samsung Galaxy Note 9. What is one of the best screen protectors that you can buy for this phone right now? I've tried several of them. Right now I have the G-Pel screen protector, which is a pretty decent screen protector, but it doesn't really, it's not like a full adhesive screen, and the touch sensitivity, like after a while, after using different cases, even though it works with most cases, you will get some rays with certain cases. So haven't had any raise issues, but I've had some touch issues where I'm typing and it just types the wrong letter, or it doesn't type the letter at all. So yeah, so this screen protector is a good screen protector, but if you want the best screen protector for the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 or any of the Samsung devices with curved edges, it's going to be this one right here. Alright guys, so this is going to be everything that comes in the package, everything that came in this box right here. So you're going to have, first off, you're going to have some instructions, step-by-step instructions, which are going to show you how to install this step-by-step. Going to make it easy. I recommend that you definitely read all the step process. Then you're going to get, obviously, the tempered glass screen protector. You only get one. You're going to get 2 glue bottles of some kind of adhesive that they use on here. You're going to get this key, which is very important. This is going to hold the tempered glass up while the adhesive is coming down. We're going to show you that. We're going to get some alcohol swabs right here. We get 3 of them. We get some dust stickers, and then we get some cleaning cloths right here, which is going to help clean up your display before you go ahead and drop it in here. Then we have these stickers right here, which are very important. These cover up the speakers, so you don't want to get any glue into the speakers, so definitely you're going to use these. And these 2 swabs right here are actually gonna go on the sides, like you get one here and then one over here. This is gonna collect some of the glue runoff or adhesive runoff. Then you're gonna also get this, which is very important, so I suggest you get this set up, and you get a power source where you can actually turn this on. So this is gonna be the ultraviolet light, which you're gonna use secure, and it also comes with a micro USB cable so you can plug it up. So this is everything that comes in the package. Like I said, follow the instructions. You're going to get this tray here. This bridge is going to hold the adhesive, and then you're going to go ahead and use this bottom one to basically put your phone in, your Note 9, and then this is going to help line it up. Make sure you have it lined up real nicely. Basically, you're going to insert your phone here, and you're going to put this top tray. You put your phone in, put the top tray in, and then you're going to use this bridge to hold the adhesive bottle. So you're going to hold the adhesive bottle, and after this is done, you're going to have a little circle with the adhesive that's going to stay still. Then what you do is you're going to pull this off, insert this tab. This is where this tab is very important. This is going to help keep your screen protector up. Insert the tab, and then you're going to lay your screen protector in there so it lines up with the phone. And the bubble is right here, and as the bubble is right there, you want the bubble to come down to the center of the phone by tilting this plate. So you make sure you have a level table or a level area, desk, wherever you're working on, and this bubble has to come down to the middle. Once it comes to the middle, you just pull this tab and the screen protector lays flat on there, and it'll just, it's awesome process. I like doing it. Like I said, it's a little tedious for the first timer, but after you've done it once or twice, it's a breeze. So yeah, let's go ahead and jump right into it and get my phone ready. So let's do that now. They're out there. So let's go ahead and power off your phone. It's one of the things you want to do. You don't want your phone coming on. You want a total black screen so you can pick up all the debris that's on the display. You can see there I have all kinds of stuff on there. So phone is powered off. So first thing you want to do is go ahead and open one of these alcohol swabs. Rub the screen down real good. Then we're going to use this cloth right here to go ahead and dry it off. And you can see it's picking up all kinds of dust particles that are in the air. So I recommend that you, if you're near a window, shut the window. If you have a fan going on, make sure you have the fan turned off. So this is all wiped. You want to pick up all those fibers that are on there. If you got some left over, no worries. That's where the tape actually is going to pick up. The dust tapes are going to pick up any stuff that you left on the display. So looks pretty clean to me. Where you line up the phone. So we're going to go drop it in, and you can see there's some cutouts if you look real closely for the buttons on this side and then the buttons on that side, and then it has speaker to the top. So if you look real closely right here, it's going to say speaker, and that's where the speaker is going to be. So you want to have this one at the top of the phone, and then you can see on the bottom there's a little cutout so you can dig the phone out. So we got that one in. Covered my speaker over here, so you're definitely going to want to use one of these. So for the speaker, it's just a little tab, and it just goes right over the speaker. And that's it. You cover up the speaker and it just hangs over just like that. So definitely you're going to want that to cover up the speaker. You don't want anything getting in the speaker. So almost forgot that. That's a quick one that you don't want to forget. Line this back up. And now we're almost good for the glue. So you're going to want to go ahead and drop the glue in there. Like I said, make sure you're in a level spot. And it's pretty easy so far. It looks good to me. I don't see any debris on there. So let's go ahead now and we're going to do our bridge. So the bridge is going to go right here. And I'm going to go ahead and turn this a minute so you guys can see how it looks. And then we're going to put this very first one. Red cap is what's going to go into the little bridge. So it's a pretty strong stuff right here. It smells pretty strong. So you just put it down in there, and then what you want to do is you want to release the back part. It's going to release all the fluid. Then you want to remove the bridge. You don't want to put it nowhere. You just want to remove it. Get your tempered glass ready. You want to put this strip in here. And then you want to get your tempered glass ready. Pull it out. You want to remove the film that's on the bottom. Make sure you remove that film. So there's a film on the bottom. You definitely want to remove that. Make sure you look over your screen real quick, and you want to drop in the bottom. Just drop it in there, and it's in there. What you want to do now is you want to tilt it so that the bubble adhesive falls to the middle, and once it goes to the middle, you want to pull this tab out. So it's pretty easy. Let me go ahead and move this in here so you guys can see it better. So you're going to want to tilt. Once the bubble reaches the center, touches the glass, now you release, and that's it. Pretty easy, guys. First time is a little tricky because your first time doing it, but you can see if you look real good, the bubble, the adhesive actually rolling out real nicely. And yeah, so now it's pretty much full coverage. It did go all the way to the ends, all the way around, so it looks real good. So now what you want to do now is you want to get your ultraviolet light ready. So after you drop the screen down and the screen the adhesive came all the way up to the edges. What you want to do now is you want to get your ultraviolet light and you want to do the top portion of the screen, and then you want to do the bottom portion. So I'm going to go ahead and do the top portion now. So this has an automatic timer and it should time out within 30 seconds. So let's go ahead and do the top portion of the display, make sure it cures, and then we'll move down to the bottom. And then if you want, you can do the middle. I always do the top, the bottom, and then I'll go back to the middle of the phone to do the middle portion of the screen. So this, I believe, has an automatic timer, so it will time out like in 30 seconds. But there you guys have it. It's pretty easy. After you get all the top and the bottom cured, you want to wait for, I would say, a couple hours before you use a case. Make sure that it's not going to push your case up, but it should be fine. I've actually used a case right after an installation on the Note 8. So there you see, it actually timed out. So now you move to the bottom, and then you go ahead and do the bottom for 30 seconds. It's going to do the bottom. It's pretty easy, straightforward. Like I said, I know the first time you do it, it's kind of nerve-wracking because you have all these adhesive, and then you have this thing. But if you follow the instructions that I just did, or you just do it the way I did it, it's going to be nice. It's going to come out good. And yeah, so I'm glad that they give you some extra swabs. You're going to use one to clean your phone, and then you're going to probably end up using these two at the end to wipe off the excess of adhesive that runs off. So you're going to get some runoff, obviously. One of the main things is do not forget to cover your speaker port right there. That's a main thing. I've heard of people dropping some glue in there and having a tough time getting it out. So then you're going to head and do the center. I always do top, bottom, and then I go into the center, make sure it's all cured. But yeah, pretty easy. I think it's pretty easy. I think this is going to be, it's going to look awesome. It's going to be the best tempered glass screen protector that you can use for the Note 9 right now. I don't think anything tops this. Tons of these where they have just adhesive on the top and on the bottom, and after a while, these, believe it or not, these actually tend to fall off. So you know, once going in and out of your pocket, rubbing up against your jeans, sometimes they get caught on something and they'll come off. With the WhiteStone Dome, it's full adhesive, as you saw, and it's done. So it's full adhesive, and it's going to basically cover the entire screen. You're not going to have any issues with touch sensitivity. It's going to be amazing. So let's go ahead and pull this top tray out. As you can see there, we didn't get too much runoff. We got a little bit, not a lot. You can see there. I like this. I like the way they I might have missed this on the 8, on the Note 8 when they had it. They probably had it. I just probably missed it. Then you have a little slot on the bottom here where you can stick your finger in there and raise the phone right out. Look how that. I liked how they did that. And there it is. Actually came out very nice. Very little runoff, if any. And this thing came out perfect. So shout out to WhiteStone Dome for sending this out to me for review. This is going to be one of the best tempered glass screen protectors you're going to buy for this phone. I'm telling you, it's going to be awesome. I got my little sticker here, which I'm going to peel off. Boom, check that out. Protected my speaker port there. And yeah, that's it. Alright guys, so this installation of the WhiteStone Dome tempered glass screen protector was a huge success. Definitely looks great on the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. I will have links down in the description below where you guys can pick this up. And that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in another one. I'm out.